Most people think fat loss is complicated. They believe they need extreme diets, endless cardio, or magic supplements. And when those don't work, they quit. But fat loss isn't about doing more. It's about doing the right few things consistently. Today, I'm going to share 10 simple tricks that help you burn fat faster, without starving yourself, without living in the gym, and without destroying your energy. Let's start. Trick number 1. Create a small calorie deficit, not extreme. Fat loss only happens when you burn more calories than you eat, but extreme deficits slow your metabolism and kill consistency. Eat about 300-500 calories below maintenance. You'll lose fat while keeping strength and muscle. Trick number 2. Eat protein at every meal. Protein boosts metabolism, reduces hunger, and protects muscle. Aim for eggs, chicken, fish, lentils, yogurt, tofu. Trick number 3. Walk more. Low stress fat burning. You don't need endless cardio. Walking burns fat, reduces stress, improves recovery. Target 7,000-10,000 steps per day. It's simple, sustainable, and extremely effective. Trick number 4. Lift weights, even light ones. Fat loss without strength training leads to muscle loss. You don't need fancy workouts. Squats, push-ups, rows, shoulder presses. Train 3-4 times per week. Trick number 5. Sleep like it matters, because it does. Poor sleep increases fat storage hormones and cravings. No supplement can fix bad sleep. Fat loss starts at night. Trick number 6. Stop drinking calories. Liquid calories don't fill you up but add fat fast. Avoid sugary drinks, juice, fancy coffees. Drink water, black coffee, green tea. This alone can remove hundreds of calories daily. Trick number 7. Eat slower than you think you should. Fast eating cue overeating. When you slow down, hunger hormones normalize. You eat less naturally. Meals should take at least 15-20 minutes. Trick number 8. Train hard, not long. You don't need 2-hour workouts. Short, focused training burns calories, preserves muscle. 30-45 minutes of focused training. Trick number 9. Control stress. Hidden fat loss killer. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which encourages fat storage, especially belly fat. Simple stress reducers. Walking, deep breathing, limiting phone time, consistent routine. Trick number 10. Be consistent, not perfect. Follow the plan 80% of the time, and results will come. There is no trick that works alone. Fat loss happens when 1. Calories are controlled. Protein is high. Movement is consistent.